Guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you using the PandaHall beads. I will leave a link to the unboxing video from a couple weeks ago, and I ordered some really fun beads, and this is my first tutorial with it. It's these cute hoop earrings with a little butterfly dangling in them, and I used the memory wire that I got. And then I also used, this is so much fun, a pound of beads. This was so heavy when I got it. There's tons of different colors in these. So what I decided to do was just pull the ones that had like the purple and the green. Let me get them, kind of show you up close. So I just wanted to show you the ones that had like the purple and the green in them. So I'm using those, and then I'm using this really pretty butterfly. Oh, you know what? Let me fix my lighting. I feel like I'm getting a shadow there. Okay, I think that's a little better. And then I'm using this little butterfly. And then I'm also using a few 8/0 white seed beads. You could use any color you want. You could use purple, you could use whatever. I have 2 ear wires, and then I have 2, I'm only gonna need 1, but jump rings. So, and then I have a head pin. This is 2 inches long. Now what I did, if you're not familiar with memory wire, let me grab my cutters here. So I have special cutters to cut my memory wire because it's very hard to cut with, and you can ruin your other pliers if you use it. So I cut it, let me measure this. And I left, see, it's about a 1/2 inch approximately. So when you see, when I cut it, there's about that much, about a 1/2 inch right there, because you're gonna turn that back on the top. And I just changed up my setting for my filming, so I just want to make sure that you guys can see. Okay, so, and then I also have these are for memory wire to turn them back. There's a bigger one, and then there's a smaller one. I usually use the smaller one. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this head pin, and I'm gonna do that little butterfly first. Let me get it like that. A little butterfly first, butterfly first. And so I'm gonna do a seed bead. And I'm gonna do one of these beads. I'm gonna do another seed bead. And I'm gonna do this pretty little butterfly. I'm gonna do a seed bead and a bead, and then another seed bead. So that's what I'm using. I feel like there's a shadow. I hope there's not. Okay, and then I'm taking my round chain nose pliers, and I'm just gonna do a bend right there at the top. And then take my flush cutters, and I'm doing about 1/3 of an inch. And I always close my eyes when I cut those. So here's that. And then I'm going to take it a little bit from the top, and I kind of move it down then. I kind of just keep working it down. So it's like that. I'm sorry if I feel like I'm getting a shadow here, and I'm not really sure. I'm filming kind of at night here. Okay, I think that's a little better. Okay, so now we have this adorable little butterfly here. So, and I do have a coupon code for PandaHall. It's YXYTB Jewelry. I will leave that below along with their link. Okay, so now I'm going to do, I put 21 beads on here with the C beads in between. So I don't bend these wires until I'm ready to close it up. And I'm just gonna put that right there so that that can't, the beads can't shoot out. So I'm gonna do, and it just, you know, and if you order memory wire from them, I'll leave links to all of these below. But if you order memory wire and it's a little smaller, then just use less beads, you know. This memory wire has been so much fun. I've really been doing a lot with it. Let me get these in here. So I'm more in view here. Yeah, I changed up my my setup for filming, and it's nighttime, and I wanted to get this video out. I'm hoping this, okay. And I just keep working it. Nope. PandaHall has tons of beads, findings, supplies. They have everything. They're a company from China, and I've been working with them off and on for a couple years, and I love everything that I've gotten from them. They have great quality products, and they're at really good prices. Okay, so that's where we're at so far. Keep going. Hope everybody's doing well out there today. It's market season right now. I've been out doing markets, and I live in Florida, so you guys know it's very hot out. I have a couple more markets coming up, and they're indoors, and then I have a couple more outdoor markets, so just been working my little patootie off. But I love it. I have all this new jewelry I'm designing, and it's been fun meeting people. I'm definitely a people person. Okay. So now I have this other one, so I'm going to put it right there. So I'm trying to get them. Oh. Okay, so they look like they're about even. You can see that. They look like they're about even. There. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn on this light, see if this helps a little bit. Okay, yeah, this helped a lot more. Okay. So now I'm going to take this one off. I do this just so that I can, you know, tell that they're approximately the same. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it. Now, some people turn it downwards. I don't like to do that. I like to turn it up. So I'm taking the small one and I'm putting it right like that. And then I'm just turning it. It's amazing because this memory wire is so strong. But this, this pair of round nose pliers just, memory wire doesn't have a chance with these things. Okay, so now I'm going to do it with this one. You got to really hold it though tight when you're doing it, because if not, it could kind of snap back on you, because this memory wire is some strong memory wire. Okay, so that's about how it looks when it's done. So now I'm going to take, I found it easier to take this, to do this first. Oh, wrong side. So now I'm going to take this headband, I'm going to open it up, and then this is kind of tricky to do. So I did this one, like this. And I kind of put my thumb in there and did that. Now I have, let me find that little end. Okay, here's the end. I'm trying to, okay. I like using my round nose pliers for these because I feel like I can shape them more. Did I do that right? Make sure that's done right. You know what? I have to do another head pin. I didn't leave enough of a hole in here. Let me grab one more head pin. Yeah, I didn't realize I needed to leave a bigger hole because you almost have to have it like a jump ring. So I'm going to just cut this. Grab that, get that under there. Okay, well, that one flying. Okay, throw that one out. Now let's start this again. So we're gonna do seed bead, and then that, and then seed bead, and a butterfly, and then one more seed bead, bead, and then that. Okay. Yeah, I need to leave more of a hoop there. I'm gonna do it more like up there. Yeah, more like that. Close that. I like to use my round nose pliers for this. And I just kind of like work my way back and forth until I'm, okay, now let's try this again. Okay, so I got this. I'm gonna put that on there. And then I'm gonna, okay, there we go. Because you want it to be dangling. Okay. Okay. Put this on. Yeah, see, and once you put this on, then they start to dangle. Because the memory wear kind of pulls it apart. And so once you put both of them in, okay. Look how cute these are. Get these fixed. Look how cute these are. These are such a fun earring. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. And yeah, I have the silver from them, and then I have the gold from them as well. So this was so much fun to make. So, and I'm bringing these to my craft shows or my markets because these were a big seller. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and go check out PandaHall. I'll leave a link to theirs below. And like I said, my coupon code is YXYTB Jewelry. And you put that in at checkout, and get 10% off. Yes, 10% off everything on your whole order. And it also helps my channel, lets them know that you are watching this. And I will leave links to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook below as well. And let me know in the comments what you think of this, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.